Asha House Loughborough, an amazing student housing accommodation in England, could be a perfect place for students willing to pursue higher education in the United Kingdom. The property offers ensuite and studio apartments. Both types consist of a double bed, a spacious wardrobe to keep your essentials safe and organized, a pinboard, a waste bin, a wall-mounted shelving unit, and also a study desk with 3 drawers under the unit to help you with college projects and studies. Stay on top of your chores with the help of laundry facilities available on-site. The Loughborough College, Loughborough University, and Wolfson School of Mechanical are just a short ride away from the residence. You can always visit Queen's Park as it is adjacent to the property. There are fine bars such as Bar Social Loughborough Live Music Bar, the Organ Grinder, and the Phantom, all situated a few blocks from the accommodation. So don't think twice, seal the deal by visiting amberstudent.com now.